video. If you hear the cat, ignore her. She's having her moment. But anyways, so the example that you gave was not 5. It was 34% of 530, right? Easy enough. The good news is we don't have to try to calculate the percent because we already have it. We just have to figure out what number that would be. So to discover that, what you want to do is first you start 34 times 530, right? So we're just gonna speed through that. 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 3 is 12, 20, 21, put a 0, 3 times 0, 0, 9, 15, 0, 2, 9, 10, 8, 1. So that's 180, 20, I don't know how to say that. Hold on, I'm barely paying attention. So that's where you start. You multiply your percentage by your whole number. And then to figure out the exact, you want to divide that by 100, which is a lot of work, which is why I have a calendar. So we're just going to do it this way. 34 times 530 equals that divided by 100 equals 180 equals 180.2, right? So that would be 34% of 530 is 180.2. And if you don't trust me, you could always double check with the percentage calculator. So 34 of 530, calculate. You don't want to start with this though. This is your last resort to double check afterwards. Now, because on the flip side, say for instance that you don't have this. You're trying to find this number, right? You don't know what the percent is. So if you're stuck not knowing the percent, you're going to want to divide a smaller number. Hold on. I messed that up. Give me a sec. I'm going to make this in 2 parts. We have 180, right? And we know 180 is something of 530. We're trying to find the percent, but we don't know what the percent is. How are we supposed to know? Right? That doesn't make sense. You gotta calculate it out. So if you're trying to find what number, what you want to do is 180 divided by 530. And I'm too lazy to do that right now. So you would do 180 divided by 530. And that gives you that number times 100, because we always 100, because we always have to have these numbers. So 33.9, 34. I'm not getting into specifics. So yeah, that's kind of how you do that. I explained that second part really bad.